The trap is set. You think you're buying freedom, but you're just buying a shinier cage. Most people spend money they haven't earned to impress people they don't even like. That's not wealth. That's a high-interest subscription to social approval. True wealth is the silence of a paid-off life, not the noise of a brand new car. Your brain is hardwired for survival, not for compound interest. That's why you fail. Retail therapy is a scam. You're not treating yourself. You're distracting yourself. The cost of something isn't just the price tag, it's the hours of life you traded for it. If you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it once, stop lying to your bank account. Rich people stay rich by acting poor. Poor people stay poor by acting rich. Debt is the only trash that takes itself out of your future. Compounding is a boring miracle. Everyone wants the explosion. No one wants the wait. Your house is an asset for the bank, not for you. Learn the difference or stay broke. Advertising is the art of making you feel inadequate so you'll pay to feel whole. A salary is a drug your employer gives you to forget your dreams. Savings are just unspent ego. Every dollar saved is a no to someone else's control. The most expensive thing you can own is a closed mind and an open wallet. Market crashes are just sales for the brave and funerals for the fearful. Financial freedom is the ability to say no without checking your balance. You don't need a budget, you need an intervention for your dopamine addiction. Money is a great servant, but a terrible master. Don't let it hold the leash. Inflation is the invisible thief that steals your time while you sleep. Wealth is what you don't see. It's the cars not bought and the clothes not shown. Luxury is a trap designed to keep you working until you're too old to enjoy it. Being liquid is better than being fancy. Cash doesn't care about your outfit. The best investment you will ever make is in your own skill set. Stop checking the price of stocks and start checking the price of your habits. Money doesn't change people, it unmasks them. Look closely at who they become. Fear sells news, greed sells bubbles, logic sells nothing because it's free. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Your net worth is not your self-worth. Don't let a number define your soul. Happiness is a choice, wealth is a tool. Don't confuse the two. Taxes are the subscription fee for living in a civilized society. Pay them and move on. Risk isn't dangerous, unmanaged risk is dangerous. Know the depth of the water. The faster you want to get rich, the easier you are to scam. Slow down. Goldy's rule number 1: never take financial advice from someone who makes money from your mistakes. Comparison is the thief of joy and the mother of unnecessary debt. Your 20s are for learning. Your 30s are for earning. Your 40s are for owning. Success leaves clues, failure leaves excuses. Which one are you collecting? Stay sharp, geniuses. The game of money is 10% math and 90% temperament. Subscribe to master the game because remember,